Hey Dazzlers, welcome back to my channel. If you've been with me for a while, then you'll remember this really cool Dollar Tree spoon project that I did about 2 years ago. In today's video, I show you how I made a larger version of that using those same Dollar Tree mini spoons and an inexpensive canvas. So if you're interested, then just keep watching. For this project, I used 10 packs of these Dollar Tree mini spoons, one 20 by 24 canvas that I picked up on sale from Hobby Lobby, a 9-inch round mirror, and Gorilla Glue. I'll leave the complete list of everything that I used down in the description box. So the first thing I did was use a generous amount of Gorilla Glue to attach my round mirror to the center of my canvas. While that dried, I broke off the handles from each of my spoons. These Dollar Tree mini spoons are very thin and easy to break by hand. I then began to attach my spoon handles. The top and the center of the handles are the only parts of the spoon that will make contact with the canvas, so those are the areas where I added my Gorilla Glue. I began by adding a spoon handle in the 12, 3, 6, and 9 o'clock positions. I then added additional spoons evenly between those spaces. I added 32 spoons around my 9-inch mirror, and then I added a second row of the spoons in a slightly different position. I then added a third row of the spoons, again in a slightly different position. I made sure that each of the spoons was flush with the canvas, and then I allowed this to dry for about 2 hours. To close up the spacing around my mirror, I added a second layer of the spoon handles. There really wasn't a technique to this step. I simply added additional spoons wherever I saw open spaces. And when I was done, I had something that looked like this. I waited about 20 minutes until the glue on my second layer of spoon handles was very tacky, and then I pressed firmly, ensuring that the spoon handles were as flat as possible. I then allowed my design to dry overnight. Next, I gave my canvas a framed look by adding this 1-inch chrome trim that I picked up from Amazon. To give my design a bit more sparkle, I'm also adding some decorative trim. At this point, I thought my design turned out pretty, but I felt like it needed more. I thought about adding more spoons, but decided to do something slightly different. I mixed each of the glitters separately with my varnish, started with my extra fine silver glitter. While my final coat of varnish was still wet, I sprinkled on by hand some of the extra fine and regular glitter right on top. Before my varnish completely dried, I did do a bit of cleanup work around my mirror and my spoon handles. Adding the glitter to my design was an afterthought, otherwise I would have added glitter prior to gluing down my spoon handles. I poured off excess glitter and allowed my design to dry overnight. And here's the finished look. I think that this Dollar Tree spoon project turned out beautiful. But what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. I would love to hear from you. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If so, please like, comment, and share. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Remember, I upload new videos every single week. So until next time, Dazzlers, bye.